or what. Talaga nasa labas yung liig niya. Very unique. Very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Very pretty. So ito yung RV nila guys. Pick up yan. Tapos nakakabit yung ano nila, yung trailer nila. Tapos yan lang sila, oh. Yan, tatlo sila naka-transport. So these guys are well cared talaga habang nagbabiyahe. Very beautiful. Kaya sabi ko, nanghingi ko ng permission kung hindi akong kuha ng picture.